Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to create a recurring event. Unfortunately, Notion doesn't have pre-built feature of recurring events, so if you would like to create a recurring event, you would use some kind of automation tool, such kind of Zapier or Make, for example. So as you can see here, I already created a sample database in Notion. It is called training schedule. I don't do much training actually, but that's just for fun and for demonstration purposes. And you can see that we have already here one recurring event, which is like day. And if you open calendar view, you can see that it occurs every 3 days. So and also we have this Zapier, where we have a training schedule Zap, basically an automation workflow for this event. So what we're going to do now, we are going to create another recurring event, which is obviously just day. So we go to Zaps, create a new Zap. And here in trigger section, we select schedule by Zapier. And here trigger event, we choose, you can see that we have already predefined frequencies every day, every hour. If you would like something simple like daily event, you would obviously can choose this predefined frequencies. But if you want something more sophisticated, like for example, every 3 days, like in our case, you choose obviously custom frequencies, and you click continue. Frequency type, again, we have 3 types: daily, weekly, monthly. But if it is more close to daily, like daily but not every day, let's say every 3 days, you should choose daily, and you set interval to 3. Start day, we can just type today. It should figure it out. Time of the day, I don't know, let's choose it 9 a.m. for example. Then we continue and we test our trigger. If all marks are green, it means that the test is successful, and we can move to action. Actually, action, what we do in action, we connect with our Notion. I mean, we connect Zapier with our Notion. We choose Notion app for the app where this trigger should happen actually. And then in event, we go and choose create database item in our case, and we also link our Zapier account to our Notion account. It will take some time, so select pages. Well, I would recommend to select all pages here. If you don't have anything you wouldn't like to share with Zapier, I would recommend to choose everything, because sometimes Zapier just doesn't find necessary database. Okay, we link them. We click continue. Here we choose database, which is training schedule in our case, and it obviously pulls up all the fields from our training schedule database. So training type, let's do just day. Include time with date fields. For sure, we need to include. That's probably not, but let's click it. And here we have start date. That's about format. First of all, we can choose this one, because I guess that's one that I was using previously. And date, we don't choose anything. Location, let it be my gym. Content, nothing. We click continue. This step we can skip, and we can just test our event. It says it is successful. Then if it is successful, we can publish it. Okay, it is published. Now let's go to our calendar, and you see, well, I screwed up with the date. But anyway, the event is here, and it would be recurrent. So every 3 days, you will have this event in your calendar now. So thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. Bye.